Baby B. Toreros.
I set foot on this school as a nursery pupil. I was so timid and frightened little girl. My mom and my grandmother had to accompany me inside the classroom for 1 month. Thanks to the kindness and understanding of Teacher Joe and Teacher Karina. After several months, I learned to open my ears to wisdom and to with the help of my family and my teacher in kinder, Teacher Evelyn and Teacher Susan, as well as my teacher now in prep, Teacher Janet. I was able to achieve something in my 3 years as a first schooler. Thank you, dear teacher, for the guidance and teaching us the basic foundation we need. To those like me who did not dare skip any chance to be a part of every school program, activity, nutrition, math, linggo ng wika, field trip, Christmas party, and family day, be it in the classroom, we know that not only did give a lot of enjoyment, but also understanding, which is the highest form of learning. Rather, let us take us all the level of learning. Rather, let us take us all the experiences, adventure, and happy moments, and hope for more enjoyable ones. Today, we would like to give our heartfelt thanks to our parents for sending them and trusting to Jesus Love Little Children School. As we spend our time in school, we learn to pray, sing, and recite. And work to cooperatively with others' behavior. Next school year we will be a grade 1. We promise to study harder and to do better for all that we have learned to our beloved teachers. We all thank our parents for the love and support, especially my mama and papa, who always tell me to do my best. My heartfelt thanks to my grandmother and grandfather, Mommy Glo and Daddy Fred, for the love and guiding, caring, and supporting for us. Thanks for all the love to my preparatory classmates, Eliza, Don Jose, and Alberto. Thank you for all the friendship. Teachers, thank you very much for guiding and caring for us during and endeavors. We can't do it without you. And to my fellow graduates, thank you for sharing this adventure with me, for making it unforgettable, for congratulations and God bless us all.